Hello, Harris, best affiliate on the planet. Now, so today I'm going to show you how we're going to automate the system where if you ring someone's number, the automated robot says, press 1 for X, press 2 for blah, press 3 for whatever. Quite important that you know how to do this. Let's get straight into it. So, of course, it's an automation. So, get onto the automation. Okay, so the first trigger is going to be IVR trigger. Start IVR trigger, and this should be in the phone number of whatever's in the sub account. Okay, so whenever someone brings that number, it will be linked to this trigger and it will fire off. Next, what we want to do is say or play a message. Say, hello, this is whatever business name. Let's say this is Dawn MMA. Hello, this is Dawn MMA. A woman can say it, or a man, and you can loop 1 or 2 times if they don't do anything. But for the first one, should loop once probably. Then what we're going to do is go to gather input. Now here is what we're going to say, press 1 to learn about our services, press 2 to learn about, press 2 to send a voicemail, press 3 to connect to an agent. That can loop 1 or 2 times. You can mess around with this if you want, but to be honest, keep it how it is, it's fine. Okay, now let's press save. Okay, so now that's done. Now we need the if else statement. So come here, say this: if someone's pressed 1, so put customer pressed 1, go to IVR, gather digits is 1. Then we want to go here, customer press 2, same thing, digits is 2. You know what I'm doing. Customer pressed 3, and go here, digits is 3, and that's all. Okay, so now if someone presses 1, what was the 1? Learn about services. Okay, so now what we can say is go to this and press say or play a message. You can add your own like voicemail if you want to do it yourself with your own voice and not a robot, but if you want to do that. So then here you can say we do roofing, I don't know, whatever services that business does, I don't know, tiling, just whatever. Okay, you put that in there. It could be man or woman, and loop it if you want. Second one was a voicemail, so we can add record voicemail. So keep that as it is, to be honest. Stop recording, say bleep. That's what we want. Third one was to connect. So connect to an agent. So call connect is what we want. Connect to call. Select the user, my phone number. So if someone clicks 3, it would ring my number. Okay. Now, if none of those happen, we can just if they don't click any of them, 1, 2, or 3, we can just go back to the beginning. So add a go to section, and it can go right back to the beginning. So the none section, it just go, if nothing happens, it can go right back. Or you can say, or you can do IVR say or play and say you didn't press anything, call back again. You can do that, or you could start again if you want. If you click on my link below, you get 2-week free trial to GoHighLevel and all these benefits here. You get one-on-one training with me, and you can ask me any questions and I'll help you with everything to do with GoHighLevel, get you your first paying clients. And if you've already got an affiliate, you still can join. Welcome you with open arms. And yeah, that's how you're going to create an IVR system, aka core menu system. And if you've got any questions, let me know. Please like the video, helps me out. And yeah, that's it.